Hello, and it's me, Rich Ben. Today we're working on a 1998 Saturn SL2. But this is a very big day because today we are going to be replacing the stock OEM halogen bulbs with LED bulbs. Come over the bench, I'll show you the bulbs we're going to be using. Here is the bulb we're going to be using. It's a C-Light, and it is a X1 for the 9006. Now the Kelvin on this is 6,000, and it's supposed to have a lifespan of about 50,000 hours, and it's warranted for 2 years. So I think it's a pretty good bulb. Some sticky pads and some zip ties. There's the bulbs. No fan. They have a good aluminum heat sink on them. Try not to touch them. Look at this. They give you a pair of gloves in there. There's the driver. Connection for the 9006. They say it's non-polarity. That's the bulbs right there. Alright, let's get them in. See what happens. Alright, now to remove the original 9006, there's a little lock right here that we push back and take the connector off right there. And let's turn it clockwise. Take the old 9006 out. Here is the new LED light. Okay, it doesn't turn anymore. I've got a 8-inch zip tie here. Okay, that's pretty sturdy. Finally, the old Saturn gets bright white lights like modern cars. Gone are the yellow ones. I love it. And as long as they last 50,000 hours, like they say, it'll be a great mod. One problem though. If your vehicle has CAN bus, you might have to put a resistor in. Otherwise, you could get a warning light on the dash. All right, guys, thanks for watching.